Globe at Home Prepaid Wi-Fi, 2 times faster compared to pocket Wi-Fi. This is the Wi-Fi modem with built-in SIM card. At the back of the modem, you will find its name and other details. This yellow cable is used for Ethernet connection for Ethernet-equipped devices. To turn on, plug in at the back of the modem the power connector and then plug it in the outlet. In front, you'll find the power on indicator light along with the Wi-Fi indicator light, which will tell you it's ready to connect, and then the signal indicator lights, which tell you the signal strength. Now to connect, you'll find at the back of the modem the Wi-Fi name and the Wi-Fi password. Select that Wi-Fi name in your settings and enter the password. Next, download the Globe at Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Swipe left 3 times and click Get Started. Enter the prepaid Wi-Fi number found at the back of the modem. Select the type of modem you have, then click I'm already connected and wait for 60 seconds. After which, if you will see this kind of message, click Manually Verify Your Account. Then, it will ask for a 4-digit code. We'll get back to that later. Now, open your browser and enter the IP address found at the back of the modem. Then, find the login and tap on it. It will ask for a username and password, which both can be found at the back of the modem. Type it and click Next, then click Agree. Here, you can change your Wi-Fi name and password. Then click Next. Retype the new password or tap here if there's none. Find the message icon at the upper right and tap it. Tap on the message. And here's the 4-digit code. Go back to the app and enter the code. You'll see a message of your activation and the free 10 gigabytes of data. Type in a desired PIN for your app. Retype it. You can put here your desired nickname. And you're in. Just click Dismiss. Got it? And another Dismiss. Click now the dashboard below. In the dashboard, you can monitor the available and used data of your prepaid Wi-Fi. You can also find in this app the list of promos available. Just tap plus get more data. Now, if you reload and buy from the store a regular load for your Wi-Fi using its Wi-Fi number, you go to this section. Choose the promo depending to your regular load and click Subscribe. Click here the option applicable to you, then click Proceed. As you can see, you now have your free 10 gig of data. Search Globe at Home. Be sure to select the one with the check mark or Internet Service Provider. It will automatically give you options to select. Swipe left and tap Prepaid Wi-Fi. Tap Activate 10 gigabytes. And select the category of your modem. Then wait. Enter your Wi-Fi number. And you shall receive a to confirm message. Tap Yes and you're done. Now let's check. Go to the app, enter the Wi-Fi number, select modem, enter PIN, and there you have it.